Well, good morning everyone, it's Derek from Lockie's Locksmith Services. Apologies I've not been on for quite a few weeks now. I've actually been quite busy with work, and then there's associated admin, and then all the advertising that we have to keep up to date with. Today's video is actually a little review on a new electric pick gun that my lovely wife kindly bought for me, and it's actually a master pick. Now I would call this an entry pick gun. It's priced around about £250, something like that. I've got a Clom, which I've been happy with over the years. I've had two in 14 years. I've actually got a Dino, I'm quite happy with that, but I'm actually getting a bit of a wobble on it now. I've had it a number of years, so I can't complain. And this is another entry pick gun, relatively new on the market, made in Turkey. So what's the difference? So the Clom is approximately 1200 revolutions per minute RPM. The Dino is, I think, about 1400 RPM. This is actually 17,300 RPM. So the RPM is obviously going to give you make a lot of difference with the pick guns, because obviously, you know, the larger the RPM, the more bounce you're going to get off the pick gun, so it's going to bully some locks open in a sense. So how have I found it? I've had it about a month. I've tried it out, just getting used to it. You get bits and pieces with the pick gun itself. It's not exactly a key selling point for me, but you get tension tools with it. You get a selection of pick blades. You get some extra nuts and bolts to go with it. Obviously another tension tool. You get the X key that goes with it, and so you should. You get a thumb turn wire, which I found does work, but it's too big, it needs filing down. And I don't really use thumb turn wires in case they get stuck in the lock, causing me more problems. And then you've got what they call a drawer opener, which is basically a wafer pick. Not going to work on window locks really, might work on some cams. Well, I'm not really bothered about them. The pick gun itself, you get a charger with it. You actually get two batteries, and it works off one battery at a time. You get a plug socket, so you can actually work this. You can actually charge it while you're in your car if you want it to be. So that's a good point. And then obviously another selection of pick blades, which suits you. So how's it working? Right, let's have a quick go and show you. It's actually opening the locks, it should be opening. We'll have a quick go now. This is just an ERA. That's that one. The Euro spec, I found that it didn't open. In ERA thumb turn. So that's that. The trade locks, well, they do have some anti-picks in, and it's opened that one. This is just a unbranded lock. With the Euro spec, it's an MP10, and I can't actually get one of these tension tools in. Now the thing with this is it's actually quite a powerful pick gun. That's done that one. Here's another one, unbranded. So it's actually opening the ones it should be opening, to be honest. Quite easy. So let's see what I can do with that one. That's actually a Smith & Lock, it has opened that one. Let's have a go with a full X. It's a full X 1-star. And there you go, it's opened that one with ease. So overall it's actually not bad. I mean, I'm not really with the Clom and the Dino, it's a pistol grip. I'm not quite used to this yet, but it's quite powerful. So overall, what do I think? Yeah, a good standard, good quality, and it's opening the locks it should be with ease. Do I recommend it? Yeah, as a starter pick gun, I recommend it. Is it as good as a Wendy? I don't know. I've not got a Wendy. The Wendy is known as the Rolls Royce of the pick gun world. Well, this is actually not a bad starter. Like I say, I've only had it a month. Good things about it is, on the Dino I've found that comes loose, so your blades come out. I've not had a problem with this, and it's the same with the Clom. When you're using it quite a bit, they tend to come loose and they come out. Like I say, I've not had a problem with this. One thing that I do find a bit difficult with it is this, and that's the knurls for adjusting the pick gun. To actually get it right down to lower the bounce is quite difficult. I've had to use my grips on it to actually tighten it down. So master pick, if you're watching this, let's make this a little bit easier to adjust. That's like a locking nut. The bottom one is a locking nut to keep it in place, and then that is the adjuster. But as you can see, that bounce is quite vicious, and actually to actually get it down was very, very difficult. I shouldn't have to be using grips, but with the locking nut in place, I've not had any problems with it readjusting itself on vibration. Thank you.